Okay, just got to the job, and listen to this. The water is dripping off the dormer and landing right on the cover of the lower gutter. So give us about an hour, and I'll take a video of the fix. As you can tell just from the sound, it's a lot quieter. New gutter and covers are up. Downspouts on. Temporary downspout till we come back and put a small one on. We didn't need a bigger one up there, but that's all we had in the truck. So you should never put a big downspout above a little downspout. So instead of changing the little one to a big one, we're just going to come back and put a small one up top so they match. So much quieter.